Hello friends, this is Amit Ranjan and you are watching your favorite channel Java Mitra.
One second. So we can catch this block. Instead of here, we can add this catch block on return x by y. So let us try to do this. Let us remove the catch block from ABC class and add here, because we know that arithmetic exception is coming from x by y, because we know that the arithmetic exception is coming from x by y. So we will catch the arithmetic exception in the divide method. And say please enter denominator as non-zero. So can we compile this program? Do you think that this class will compile? Why not compilation will be successful? The problem is that the try block has return statement because the method has return type integer. But if x by y throws an exception and it comes to the catch block, then there is no return value from catch block. So we can even we cannot compile this program. So let me try to show you that whether we can compile or not, and we will see that here says missing return statement. This is because we do not have a return statement in the catch block. Since the method has integer return type and the caller is waiting for some integer value, so either from try or catch block, this method should get an integer value. And this is the problem, that calculator.divide cannot return any value from the catch block. So what to say? We have to return some integer value. So what I can return here from? We cannot return 0 because we know that any number divided by 0 is not 0. We cannot say -1. So what should we return? We should have to return some integer value. So in such case, if we are unable to return anything from catch block, we can use throw. If you have catch some ball and you are unable to do something for that ball, then you have to throw that ball that you have catch. So we have catch exception and we can throw that exception once again. So this exception will throw to the caller, and now we can compile. Let me show you that we can now easily compile without any problem. So compilation is done. So either you have to return or you have to throw from catch block if your method has a return type. If your method has a return type, you have to either return some value from catch block or you have to throw. This is called rethrowing of an exception. So once again the exception is thrown back to the caller. So once again we have to add a catch block here to handle that exception, and we know that we are throwing an exception of arithmetic type, so we have to handle the same. But you do not need to add some message because we have already added a message here, so we do not need to add a message. Let us recompile and execute the program. Let me run a program with 12 and 0 for it, just to see the output in case of arithmetic exception. Please enter denominator as non-zero. So in this way I have shown you when to use try block, when to use catch block, when to rethrow an exception. Now